Good afternoon. This is the last class of the polynomial, that is exercise 2.3. Now this is about the division algorithm. Now we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now two questions are given. See that the two questions are given. Number one is given that divide this and verify the division algorithm. And second question, they have given a polynomial and also given the two zeros. And what they are saying? Find the all zeros. Now these are the two questions over here. Now check one thing. Very carefully check one thing, that for the first question, two polynomials, that is 3x cube minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. This is not given in standard form. That is, what is the standard form? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And my x minus 1 minus x square is also not in standard form. What is the standard form? X square plus bx plus c, where a not is equal to 0, and over here a not is equal to 0. This is called cubic polynomial, and this is quadratic polynomial. Very carefully first see these things. Now when we start the math for the polynomials, we always check whether the function is given in standard form or not. Now then we start the question. Now what we write that? Standard form. What we write the standard form, and over here also standard form. Now, if we write the standard form, what we will do? Now, cubic polynomial we must write into this way, that is minus x cube minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. And this standard form has to be written as minus x square plus x minus. We have to write first the things in the standard form. Clear? Now first part we have do that, the division algorithm. Now do the division. This is by, that is minus x square plus x minus 1 is divided by minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. This has to be written carefully. This has to be written very carefully. Now this x square and this x cube, what will do that? Simply put the x. So it will come that minus x cube then rest plus x square, then this minus x, then subtract, this one goes to the plus, this one goes to the minus, this one goes to the plus. So what happened? These and these are cancelled, and that is 2x square minus 2x plus 5. Is this clear? This part is over. Now we have to put this, that is minus 2. Why minus 2? Now first thing, minus 2 into a, that is 2x square minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Clear? This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, and these things are cancelled. These things also cancelled. And this is 3. Now this part, first part is complete, the division. Then verify. Then the part is come verify. Now in the chapter we have written that this dividend is equal to now what is the answer? Quotient. Quotient is equal to x minus 2. Reminder, remainder is equal to 3. Divisor is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1. And dividend is equal to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. This is my findings. Now what we do that? What we do that? We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now what is divisor? What is quotient? What is remainder? Now if you multiply this, minus x cube minus 2x square, then plus x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 plus 3. Now this part minus x cube minus x square is equal to proof. Now first question is over. Now the second question, question number 2. Question number 2. What is given? Root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Now, when you start the answer, what we write basically these things? Start. Root 2 and root over minus 2 are given to zeros. Therefore, x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 that is x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is equal to x square minus 2 is a factor of given polynomial. This part must be written. This part must be written. This was the main. Now, when we get the factor, then we go to the same process. Same process. What we do that? X square minus 2 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Now what will do that? This is 2 and then x square. What happened then? Now this is 2x to the power 4. Now this is 4 minus 4x square. This is minus, this is plus. This one is cancelled. So what comes that? Minus 3x cube plus x square plus 6x minus 2. Now this one, minus 3, then x, that is minus 3 x cubed plus 6x. This is plus 6x. This minus is change. This is minus change. These are cancelled. That is x square minus 2. Now these things are there. Now this is plus 1. 1 into x square is x square. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. This is minus. This is plus. That is 0. That is 0. So we can write this. 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 is equal to x square minus 2 into 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now what happened? 2x square minus 3x plus 1 by middle term that is 2x square 2 plus 1x plus 1 minus 2x minus x plus 1 2x common x minus 1 that is x minus 1 so solving that 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 then 2x is equal to 1 x is equal to half and x minus is equal to 0 that is x is equal to 1. So therefore the zeros are root 2 minus root 2 half and 1. This is the answer. Do practice these to sum. Do practice these to sum. And the procedures what I have showed you. Then 2.3, the exercise will be very easy for all of them. Thank you for this session. Thank you.